I'm Peter from SPACEFLOW, a real estate company that is changing the way we live in buildings. And we do that by two parts. We have a community platform, that is our mobile application, and also community management, both of those to help to uplift the experience for occupants of those buildings. So we help real estate owners to deliver the best experience possible. Today we won this prize, Central European Startup Awards, as the best PropTech startup. And today we won the Central European Startup Award as the best PropTech startup. And I think what really struck the jury is our scalable model, where we are able to deliver our application on any kind of asset globally within a few days. So I think that's something that the jury really liked about us, and that's why we won the best PropTech startup. So we've been nominated for the PropTech category here on CEE Investment Awards as well. So that's why we came here, and we really are eager to find our clients and partners for Polish market and Central Europe as well.